Most people think passive income means making money while you sleep. And honestly, that idea is not entirely wrong, but it is incomplete. And that one missing piece is exactly why so many people start excited, put in weeks of effort, and then quietly give up. In this video, I want to have a real conversation with you about what passive income actually is, not the version social media sells you. The real version, the one that actually makes sense for a beginner. I'll break down the myth, give you the real definition, explain why most people fail, and help you figure out whether this path actually fits your situation. No hype, no exaggerated income screenshots, just a clear, honest breakdown. Let's get into it. If you have ever searched for passive income online, you know exactly what comes up. Someone on a beach with a laptop, a notification on their phone showing hundreds of dollars coming in, a caption that says something like, "I made this while I was sleeping." And look, I get it. That image is powerful. It taps into something very real, the desire to not be tied to a desk for 8 hours a day, the desire to have more freedom, more flexibility, more breathing room in your life. There is nothing wrong with wanting that. The problem is how that goal gets packaged and sold. What those ads rarely show you is the 6 months of work that happened before that income notification. They skip the late nights, the failed attempts, the learning curve, the tools they had to figure out, the content they created before anyone watched, the products they built before anyone bought. They show you the reward. They hide the system that built it. And here's the key idea I want you to hold on to for this entire video. Passive income is not effort-free. It is effort-shifted. So, what does passive income actually mean when you remove the hype? The clearest definition I can give you is this. Passive income is income that does not require your direct time for every transaction. Let me say that again in a different way. With a regular job, you get paid for the hours you show up. You stop working, the money stops coming. That is active income. You are trading your time directly for money. Passive income flips that relationship. You build something once, a piece of content, a digital product, a system, an asset, and that thing continues to generate income even when you are not actively working on it. Examples of that include a YouTube video that earns ad revenue years after you posted it, an ebook or digital guide someone buys while you're asleep, an affiliate link that earns you a commission when someone clicks it and makes a purchase, a print-on-demand product listed in a store you set up once. These things can work while you are offline, but they did not appear from nowhere. Most passive income models follow a 3-phase pattern, and understanding this pattern will save you a lot of frustration. Phase 1 is high effort and low income. This is where almost everyone starts. You are learning, you are building, you are figuring things out. You may be posting content that gets very few views. You might be setting up a store that gets very few visitors. The income during this phase is minimal or zero. But this phase is not wasted time. This is where you are building the system. Phase 2 is where effort begins to stabilize and income starts to grow. You have figured out what works. You have started to see some results. Things are not fully passive yet, but there's momentum. You can feel it starting to compound. Phase 3 is where the effort decreases and the income becomes more stable. This is the version people show on social media, but it is the result of phases 1 and 2, not a shortcut around them. Now, I want to be honest with you about why this does not work out for most people who try it. And I'm not saying this to be discouraging. I'm saying it because understanding these patterns is what lets you avoid them. The first reason people fail is unrealistic expectations about speed. If you start a YouTube channel expecting to earn money in the first month, you will almost certainly be disappointed. If you list a digital product and expect sales in the first week, you might feel like a failure when no one buys. The timeline for passive income is measured in months, not days. We will talk more about realistic timelines in a moment. The second reason is quitting during phase 1. This is by far the most common one. People put in genuine effort for a few weeks, see limited results, and conclude that it doesn't work. but they're quitting exactly at the point where consistency matters most. The system has not matured yet. They leave before the compound effect kicks in. The third reason is jumping between models. You start with affiliate marketing, 2 weeks later you hear about dropshipping, then you pivot to selling courses, then someone tells you print on demand is better. You end up spreading your attention across 5 things and making real progress in none of them. This is sometimes called shiny object syndrome. Every new idea looks more promising than the one you are currently struggling with. But mastery comes from focus, not from switching. The fourth reason is underestimating the skill-building requirement. Every passive income model has a learning curve. YouTube requires you to understand video, scripting, thumbnails, SEO, and audience psychology. Affiliate marketing requires you to understand content, trust, and conversion. Digital products require you to understand your audience's problems and how to solve them clearly. None of these are impossibly hard, but none of them are instant either. The people who succeed are the ones who treat this like a real skill they are developing, not a button they're pressing. I want to draw a distinction here that most people in this space skip over, and I think it's actually really useful. There are actually 3 types of income to understand, not just 2. Active income is what most of us are familiar with. You trade your time for money. A job, freelancing, consulting. When you stop working, the money stops coming. That is active income. You are trading your time directly for money. Passive income flips that relationship. You build something once, a piece of content, a digital product, a system, an asset, and that thing continues to generate income even when you are not actively working on it. Examples of that include a YouTube video that earns ad revenue years after you posted it, an ebook or digital guide someone buys while you're asleep, an affiliate link that earns you a commission when someone clicks it and makes a purchase, a print-on-demand product listed in a store you set up once. These things can work while you are offline, but they did not appear from nowhere. Let me give you the honest numbers, because I think this is one of the most valuable things I can do for you. Most online passive income models take between 3 and 12 months to stabilize. Some take longer. That's not me trying to discourage you. That's the realistic window based on what actually happens for people who build these systems properly. In the first month or 2, you're mostly in learning mode. You're figuring out your tools, your niche, your voice. You may be posting content that gets very little traction. That's normal. That is not a sign of failure. That is the foundation being poured. Between month 3 and 6, if you've stayed consistent, you usually start to see early signals of traction. A video gets more views than usual. A product sells for the first time. An affiliate link starts getting clicks. These are the moments that validate the direction. They are not yet income you can live on, but they tell you the system is starting to work. Between month 6 and 12, the compounding effect becomes more visible. Content you created months ago is still bringing in traffic. Products you listed are selling without constant promotion. The income is still modest for most people at this stage, but it's real and it's growing. Beyond 12 months, people who stayed consistent are often earning a meaningful secondary income stream. Some have replaced their primary income. That's the outlier scenario, but it's not as rare as people think. It just requires that you didn't quit during phase 1. Let me bring this together. Passive income is not about avoiding work. It's about building systems that continue to work without your constant involvement. The effort is real. The learning curve is real. The timeline is longer than the ads suggest, but so is the outcome if you approach it with the right mindset. If you are someone with more time than money right now, and you're willing to learn and stay consistent, this path has real potential for you. If you are looking for something that generates income in the next 2 weeks without significant effort, this will disappoint you, and I think you deserve to know that up front rather than finding out 3 months in. The people who make this work are not the most talented ones. They are the most patient and the most consistent. In the next video, I'm going to break down 5 online income models and rank them by difficulty, startup cost, and time to your first dollar. That will help you figure out which one actually fits where you are right now. If you found this useful, subscribe so you don't miss that one. And if you have a question about any of this, drop it in the comments. I read them. I'll see you in the next one.